Panasonic has introduced a new update to its rugged detachable notebook range, with the launch of the new Panasonic Toughbook CF20 2018 hybrid laptop, building on the original design first launched back in 2015. The 2018 edition rugged notebook features a detachable tablet offering users the best of both, now with increased performance and lower power consumption, when compared to previous portable Toughbook systems. Panasonic has equipped the latest Toughbook CF20 2018 with a dual battery system that is capable of powering the system for up to 17 hours on a single charge when combined. A second battery is included in the keyboard as standard, and the tablet on its own can run for up to 8.5 hours from its internal battery. The laptop's display takes the form of a 10.1, a 10-finger capacitive multi-touch touchscreen, offering users a resolution of 1920 x 1200 pixels. The fanless Panasonic Toughbook CF20 is powered by Intel Core i5-7Y57V Pro processor with 4 MB cache, 1.2 GHz up to 3.3 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, supported by Intel HD Graphics 615, 8 GB RAM and includes a 256 GB SSD and is supplied pre-installed with Microsoft's latest Windows 10 professional operating system. Together with a 2-megapixel Windows Hello webcam with stereo microphones, and 8-megapixel documentation rear camera. The Panasonic Toughbook CF20 offers 6 different operating modes, allowing it to be used as a regular laptop, or folding back the screen on itself to use the device in its convertible mode as a tablet, or detaching the tablet completely. Panasonic has also included a built-in handle that can be used to hang the device on a wall or to steady the laptop while walking. The hybrid laptop is also equipped with a docking system that allows the laptop to be docked in a vehicle for use when on the move if required. The Panasonic Toughbook CF20 notebook will be available to purchase during March 2018, priced at £2,218 plus VAT.